to scan items into point of sale. Let's say we want to use Bang and scan that product in. You're going to go to Setup, open up POS, Items, click on Drinks, click on Bang. Here's where you enter the barcode that's on the side of the bottle. Save that. When you go back into point of sale, when you find a member, right now if I scan an item, nothing happens. It will check the member in. But if you click here, click on the bottom, change the color to the green. Once it's this green color, QuikCheK is waiting to scan a point of sale item. Now when I scan the item, it comes up on the right. If I scan it again, I should get 2 of them. And then you can do your payment. That's how you set up and scan items into point of sale. You have to change the color. You have to click here to change the background color in order for the scanner to work in point of sale.